In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify on PC or laptop. Easy step-by-step guide. Here's the key up front. Shopify is cloud-based, which means there's nothing to install on your computer. You run everything in your web browser. I'll show you exactly how to access your store's admin and get set up for a smooth experience. Start by opening your preferred browser on your PC or laptop. In the address bar, go to admin.shopify.com. This is the direct gateway to your Shopify admin. When the page loads, sign in with your account credentials. If you see options like single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts from Shopify to complete sign-in securely. Once you're in, you'll land on your store's home dashboard. If you're viewing another page, just click Home in the left sidebar to come back to your overview. That sidebar is your main navigation, and you can resize it to fit your workspace. If the menu looks compressed, hover near its edge and drag to widen it so labels and sections are easier to read. At the top, you'll find the global search. Click into the search field and start typing what you need: orders, products, themes, settings, or even help topics. Search is the fastest way to jump anywhere in the admin. If you were searching for guidance like this tutorial from within Shopify, select the matching help result to open it. To recap the essentials, because Shopify runs in the cloud, you don't install an app on your PC or laptop. You simply open a browser, visit admin.shopify.com, sign in, and you're ready to manage your store. From here, you can add products, customize your theme, configure payments and shipping, and track orders, right from the home dashboard and the sidebar navigation. A few tips to make your day-to-day experience better. First, bookmark your admin URL so you can get back to your store with a single click. Second, use a modern browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for the best compatibility and performance with Shopify's features. Third, enable browser notifications so you don't miss important updates, like new orders or customer messages. Your browser may prompt you the first time. Allow notifications for Shopify so alerts appear on your desktop. That's all there is to it. No installers, no downloads, just your browser and your credentials. Head to admin.shopify.com, sign in, and start running your business from your PC or laptop right away. If you found this helpful, keep exploring the home dashboard and the search bar to quickly reach the tools you need.